DataAnnotation generally offers more consistent earning opportunities for workers who qualify, while Appen's workload depends much more on project availability. That difference matters because steady work is usually more valuable than a platform with many projects that are not currently assigning tasks. By the end of this video, you'll know how both platforms compare in 2026, which one is more likely to provide regular work, and what you should expect before signing up. Here's the direct answer. Many workers report that DataAnnotation provides a more stable flow of tasks once they are accepted and matched with active projects. Appen remains a legitimate platform, but available work often depends on your location, language, qualifications, and whether client projects are currently hiring. That means some workers stay busy while others wait weeks for new assignments. The work is also different. DataAnnotation focuses heavily on AI-related tasks such as evaluating chatbot responses, writing prompts, comparing AI-generated answers, and reviewing model outputs. As companies continue investing in artificial intelligence, these projects have become a major source of available work for qualified contributors. Appen has traditionally offered search evaluation, data collection, audio recording, image labeling, and AI training projects. Those opportunities still exist, but the amount of work available can change significantly from one project to another. Completing the application process does not guarantee regular assignments. The biggest mistake is assuming that acceptance means immediate income. Both platforms require screening before you can begin paid work. You may need to complete qualification tests, verify your identity, and wait until projects become available. The faster you finish those steps, the sooner you can be matched with suitable work. Another point worth considering is flexibility. DataAnnotation often allows qualified workers to complete tasks whenever work is available without following a fixed schedule. Appen projects sometimes have specific weekly requirements or deadlines depending on the client. Neither platform guarantees a certain number of hours, so you should treat them as flexible income sources rather than permanent full-time jobs. If your goal is consistent work, DataAnnotation currently has the stronger reputation among many active workers. If your goal is accessing a wider variety of project types, Appen still deserves consideration because different skills can qualify you for different assignments over time. The bottom line is simple. DataAnnotation is generally the better choice if you want more consistent AI-related work after you're accepted. Appen remains a legitimate option, but your experience will depend heavily on current project availability and your qualifications. Apply to both if you're eligible, complete every qualification honestly, and never pay anyone who promises guaranteed access to projects. If this comparison helped you, like the video, subscribe for more honest work-from-home comparisons, and check out the next guide on the channel.